Hello, dear friends. I am Shay from LandPack in China. Today, I will introduce how to debug the machine when cutting the position is not accurate. Step 1. Press the emergency button, and then release the emergency button, and the screen will display that the device has stopped. Step 2. Put one product on the conveyor and start the machine. Start. When cutting to the product, press the emergency button and 让它出去。And let the product come out.
我现在应该切到这里吧，是吧？
然后
从这里，
对，
要把这一段往前移，就往前加，
就是加数字是吗？Step 3. Make slight adjustment to the cutting area on the screen.
然后我再试一下。
Repeat the taste until no cutting is done. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please contact us through the website at the bottom right. Bye bye.